don't kill me. I know I bombarded you with Chronicles for the past year. I can't even stop myself, especially now that I'm these boxes are on sale right now like crazy Black Friday prices, and I can't stop buying them. It's been so good to me. I just can't stop. I just can't. I may not even post this. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Maybe if there's nothing crazy in here, I will let you guys slip by without me posting this one. Because I know it's a lot. I know. I've just had so much freaking fun with it. I really want some more 2018 too. Wish the price on that would come down. It's still up there though. Alright, 12 packs. So luckily it's not a very long break, but there will be 4 hits. If I'm lucky, they'll all 4 be autographs, but usually there's like a jersey card in here somewhere. Alright, first one is Carson Kelly. Rookie ticket contenders autograph. Not bad, not bad. Ripken and McCutcheon. I have pulled 3 or 4 Aaron Judge autograph redemptions out of here. I cannot seem, I don't even know if anybody, there's a Tolles numbered card. If it was possible to get his actual autographs in here. I did get one back from Panini, but I am waiting on the rest. It is taking forever. Roger Clemens. It's a Sam Travis rookie to $2.99 blue. Yeah, so I've been like, you know, ecstatic about those pulls, but at the same time sitting there knowing that it's going to take 50 forever for me to get it. There's a Bregman to, what is that, to $99. Good looking triple threat Spectra jerseys. 2 are blue, but they're clearly different materials. And this is his rookie year, so that's another decent pull. Indoors, Senzatella Prism rookie, Ryan Healy to $2.99. That is the Carolina blue or light blue. Hunter Renfroe Prism rookie. Tolles gray border. That's nice, to $1.99. It's a good card. A Robert Gesellman Mets autograph. That's autograph number 2. So should be one more hit. Hopefully that will be an autograph. Maybe we can sneak a super short print in here somewhere too, because sometimes you'll get like a gold prism or something crazy. There's a numbered Ricky Henderson, or a gold standard short print. Pulled a Molina to 15 the other day. That's a good card. I've already sold it though. It sold fast. There is a Pujols to $1.99 green. Bradley Zimmer, rated rookie. Sweet, Chris Bryant to $99. Number 1, is that right? Yeah, 1 out of 99. A purple scope. That's a rather good pull. Blackman and Trevor Story. Now in the last 2 packs, so one should have a hit, I hope. I have been shorted a hit in this stuff before, just one time, thankfully. Josh Bell. Encarnacion to $3.99. Alright. Put up or shut up, Chronicles. We might have something here, hopefully. It is a Chad Pinder autograph. So definitely not one of my top boxes. So I don't know. I'll debate whether to post this. I have posted so much of this stuff. There's nothing too crazy in here. Do a quick little, yeah, just the Pinder. I like Carson Kelly. If I could get the card actually on camera. This is the best looking card in the box. Alright, that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.